Hello everyone, my name is Akshata Srivastav from CSE branch.
Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Agarwal, first year CSE branch.
Hello everyone, my name is Pulkita Verma. I am from Computer Science first year.
This is our project in which we have created a Bluetooth control device using an HC05 Bluetooth module, an Arduino, gear motors, a motor driver, and an ultrasonic sensor. The Arduino Bluetooth Control App sends commands via Bluetooth which are processed by the Arduino to control the movement of the device. The motor driver controls the gear motors for movement, while the ultrasonic sensor detects obstacles. If an obstacle is detected, the Arduino automatically stops the motors to prevent collisions, overriding any Bluetooth commands. This setup allows wireless control with added safety through obstacle detection.